Everything comes on, works good.
How do you operate that? Leave it alone, leave it.
Okay.
How do you operate it?
How
do you operate it?
How do you crank it up?
How do you make it operate?
Oh, I don't know nothing about all that. I don't know nothing about all that. All I know is the as far as your engines and all go. Now I put your new pin in right here.
Okay.
I put your new pin in, got it good to go. I know your air compressor works. I'm trying to think of what I did the other day to do all that. Like I said, I know about the engines, but as far as a mixer, I don't know nothing about it. What did I do the other day? Turn your air compressor on.
There's no way we can check it out if it works, it's moving.
Hasn't been working. There's your conveyor belt not working. That's for your cylinder, you know, to operate it. But like I said, I've never operated one on it. But I did turn the air compressor on the other day and don't remember what the hell I did. I wanted to make sure it worked. Right here, that's your air compressor. You can switch that air compressor game. It works that way. All your air valves and all will work good. You can hear the change turned off. Got the Kubota going. I put another injector pump on it. I'm going to show you it real quick. Right here's your power switch.
Okay.
Oh, you got brand new batteries all the way around. You got your two brand new batteries in this, a brand new battery in this one over here. All that good stuff. Let's see. Battery service it, all your new filters, everything. Here's your little generator. It's only got 8 hours on it.
Okay.
But it hadn't been running a long time, and that little injector pump, the plungers was froze up. So I had to pull it out and send it to the pump shop, have them fix it. Once we did that, everything was good. Like I said, all your filters, all your oil, all that stuff, batteries, pin, and that's I mean, like I said, I've never operated a mixing machine. I don't know nothing about it as far as making concrete, but we checked everything out and everything looks good. Everything's good with it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Can you show me your bill?
Yeah. You want to come in the office? You can bring it to you.